Welcome! I'm Tabitha from the George Memorial Library, and in this video we'll turn a square piece of paper into an adorable origami bunny. For supplies, we'll only need one square sheet of paper. This sheet is 6 inches by 6 inches. Because I want my bunny to be this pale pink color, I'll start with that color facing down. Then I'll fold diagonally corner to corner. One trick to getting straight folds is to line up the corner. Trace a line from there to the middle of the fold, then smooth it out to either side. Now we're going to fold this triangle in half. We'll unfold it and bring this corner to the tip, lining up the edge with this crease. Do this to both sides. Now we have a square, one side has a divide and the other doesn't have a divide. Our edges are also different. One opens and the other does not. We're going to make a kite shape, so we're going to take this side and line it up with the middle crease. Do this to both edges. Now we have a kite, but we're going to fold down the top part on this line here. Open it back up into a square, and on the edge that opens, grab 2 layers. You should still see the colored part of your paper, not the white. Leave the parts that are split. Take this tip and bring it to this horizontal crease. Fold the flap back down. Then take the tip of that flap and bring it past the edge. This little tip will be our bunny's tail, and it's up to you how big you want that tail to be. The further the tip sticks past the edge, the larger the tail. We'll close back up our kite along the existing creases. Now fold it in half like a taco and crease it all together. You can see his little tail sticking out there. These points here are his ears, and right now they're aimed forward like a charging bull. Take one at a time and angle it over his body. Once you find the angle you want, pinch it to create the crease and hold it in place. He's got 2 ears, so let's do the other one. You can make them even if you want, or lopsided. Give him a bit of personality. And there he is. There's our little bunny. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment about your favorite part, and for more, check out the library's calendar at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us/events. Thank you so much for watching.